Well, a very sad good morning, cruise nerds. Y'all probably know what day it is. It's Debarkation morning. I think this is the worst day of the cruise. You know, because you gotta get off the ship. You can't stay on. But cruise nerds, it's been a fabulous 3 days Mom and I have been on. And, you know, we're going to do it again in a week. But on the other coast. On the Disney Wonder. But, cruise nerds, we are just wrapping up here. And making sure we have everything. We're checking all the drawers. And making sure that we did not leave anything behind. Now, cruise nerds, I highly suggest to triple check. Do one sweep at night, the last night. And then do 2 sweeps in the morning before you leave the room, because you will have to be out of your room by 8 a.m. So make sure you take everything with you to breakfast. And so that's what I'm going to go do. I'm going to do at least one more sweep and then finalize everything and then do one last sweep right before we head to breakfast, which starts at 8 a.m. So cruise nerds, I will see y'all momentarily.
May I have your attention, please? Local Customs and Border Protection have now cleared the Disney Wish, and at this time, all guests are welcome to disembark the ship via the gangway located on Deck 3 midship. Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to be swiped off the ship. Once inside the terminal building, you will be required to provide a proof of citizenship for the inspection by Customs and Border Protection. Be advised that no fresh fruits, vegetables, plant materials, meat, or animal products may be brought off of the ship. If you have any of these items, please discard them in the amnesty bins as you disembark. This is the last opportunity for any lost and found items from this voyage. Please check with guest services before disembarking the ship. Once again, all guests are welcome to disembark the ship at this time via the gangway located on Deck 3 midship. We thank you for sailing with us on board the beautiful Disney Wish and hope you have a safe and pleasant journey home.
Alright, cruise nerds, so we just got our breakfast. Here. Breakfast on the last morning is always the saddest because you know you're going back to reality and you're leaving this awesome cruise behind, but you have the memories that you're taking with you and new friendships that you will cherish forever. I know that's how Mama Ronnie and I feel, but Mama Ronnie, she got a fresh omelet and bacon on the side with some toast. And I got my usual, what used to be called the DCL Express, hash brown, bacon, egg, with a side of toast. But, oh my gosh, it is an amazing breakfast. It's really, really good. So I'm going to go enjoy it, and I will see you after breakfast. See y'all soon. Back for now. Alright, cruisers, so we're finally off the ship, we're through customs, and we got our fabulous porters. So make sure you get them. They are fabulously handy, and they will get your luggage to where you need to go. Make sure you have detailed information about your luggage, as well as where you need to go, so they know where to get you to very quickly. Well, cruise nerds, we are officially in the car and headed home. So it was a lovely 3 days. It was a nice quick getaway from reality for just a quick weekend, but overall it was a great cruise, and now it's time to get serious, buckle down, and get ready for a nice Hawaiian sailing that's going to be happening in a week. That Mama Ronnie and I are going to go on. And it's going to be a marvelous time. It's our first time to Hawaii next week, and it was a bucket list item, so I'm excited. And we're going to stay at Alani, so I'll go and I'll show you everything, Cruise Nerds. But in the meantime, we're just going to get home, get some rest, and start packing. See you back in Orlando. Ahoy Cruise Nerds, so we made it back home here in Orlando, and it was a quick getaway. Like I said, it went by too fast, but now we're home. Now we're going to rest, we're going to unpack and do some laundry, and of course I'm going to be doing some of the vlogging and making sure everything is good to go and upload these vlogs for you. But in the meantime, Cruise Nerds, I will see y'all real soon on board, and thanks again for joining me on another Disney cruise. See you real soon, Cruise Nerds.